Nauuso na naman dito sa TikTok yung mga things that you must have. So this time, I will make my own dedicated sa mga future college instructors. By the way, this opening school year, for sure dumadami ang ating mga college students, lalong-lalo na may mga private and public institution na nag-o-offer ng scholarship. And here are my 5 things that you must have before you entering your college instructor career. First on my list is a structured blazer. If you are buying your blazer online, I suggest you buy oversized para pagdating dito or sa inyo, you can customize it. And it may look better, fit, and at the same time, comfortable kayo. And another thing, for wearing blazer, mapapadali ang buhay ninyo because hindi nyo naiisipin kung ano pa yung susuotin nyo on the next day. Just make sure, ito ay suggestion lamang, you wear either turtleneck or round neck para hindi masyadong show off yung nasa chest ninyo, especially sa mga girls. And with that, I suggest you choose color gray, dark gray, earth tone color, or navy blue or black. Yun yung mga colors na masasuggest ko na looks good in your daily activities as a college instructor. Next on my list is having a tablet or iPad. Ito, paulit-ulit ko ito sinishare, lalo-lalo na sa mga friends ko. Kasi ito na may galing sa suggested din ng mga fellow college instructor ko. You need to choose wisely kung anong tablet ang gagamitin ninyo. Lalong-lalo na if yung course or yung program na tuturuan ninyo is maraming calculation. It is nice that the student will see or witness the flow of your solution para mas maintindihan nila paano nila maa-analyze yung concept ng problem. Pero nasa kanila din yan. Dapat mag-aral din sila. And I suggest to have a Galaxy Tab S11 Lite. Masyadong smooth ito. Para talaga kayong nagsusulat gamit yung totoong ballpen. Well, in fact, you can actually customize it using the features that is already built in sa tablet ninyo. Mapag Android man yan or iPad or Apple. Sorry. Next is you have to keep most reliable power bank. Kasi minsan, hindi nyo namamalayan na pa-drain na palayo or paubos na yung battery ng inyong device. So at least you have a full charge. Of course, make sure that full charge yung power bank ninyo. And this power bank is from AuraShare and it can charge up to 3 devices full charge. The capacity is 2000 mAh. Another is you have your own personal mug. Actually, hindi lang dapat mug. Dapat meron kayong tumbler because every day you keep talking and your larynx will overuse. And in order to not stressing this part of our body, dapat lagi tayong hydrated at nakainom ng water. I suggest warm lang kasi if you keep drinking like sobrang lamig, baka mapaos kayo. So, payong kaibigan, payong kapatid. Last but not the least on my list are the self-care kit. You have your journal or planner or pen which has a lot of function, pwedeng maging phone stand or even ruler, and a lot of things that could help you maintain your self-care. Especially, may mga rooms talaga sa colleges na malamig and I suggest you have to input, maglagay kayo ng moisturizer. And last but not the least, we need to make sure that we look pleasant in front of our students. Kasi hindi natin namamalayan minsan when our classes is straightforward na talaga walang break. Hindi natin namamalayan na naa-agnas tayo. So, those are the things that I suggest if you are going to start your career as a college instructor tomorrow, the next week, or the next month. So, take care and see you around. Thank you for watching.